And I wanted to give a little clarification on the pentacle. I did name the 5 elements: earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. Now when you get to fire and I say spirit and then I repeat at the top again spirit, it might cause some confusion. But what spirit under fire is referring to in my studies and my understanding is really the ego. It's kind of the individualized incarnate expression of what we are in this lifetime right now. Bo has a specific spirit right now, manifests through this body. His life force, however, the top part of the pentacle, is eternal and universal, just like our spirits are eternal. Christians believe that. Christians believe we have a beginning, that God even knew us before the womb. Pagans, we believe the same thing, that spirits are eternal. Hindus believe the same thing as well. Pagans, we believe in various types of reincarnation as well. So when we're talking about fire as spirit, that's Mark Foley, that's my friend Jim, my friend Randall, my friend Sabra, for example. That's their expression in this lifetime right now. Now the spirit at the top is the life force of all things that's moving through all things. Paganism, at least neo-paganism today, is a lot more pantheistic in many ways. Pantheistic means pan is all and theos is God, meaning that all, or God's hand, moves through all things. If we're going to talk about the goddess or the divine feminine as well, we can say goddess or God interchangeably, really. Polytheism plays a role in different ways with pagans. Some polytheists are, what would be the term, true polytheists. They do believe in the actual deities that they're praying to. And other polytheists are kind of pseudo-polytheists, believing in Bo. No, you can't have that. Grab my lighter. Pseudo-polytheists would be believing that the gods are the many faces of the Supreme. That's more along my lines. I believe that we can pray to Hecate, or we can pray to Demeter, or we can pray to Pan. And these are true aspects and energies, but are they an actual entity? I'm not going to be one to say they're actual, so I would be more along the lines of a pseudo-polytheist, saying that I'm calling in the energies of those deities that we are calling upon at that point. So that's my distinction. I hope I clarified a little bit between temporary ego manifestation of fire spirit and the eternal aspect that runs through all things, which is the top pentacle portion. Oops, I flipped it back. So more on that. That's our Pagan Theology 101, 201. Why?